Today we're going to read a story that's called Knuffle Bunny. Now, what do you guys notice in the front cover of Knuffle Bunny? Oh, I noticed people walking too. I also noticed that this little girl is holding something. What do you think she's holding? I also think that she's holding her favorite stuffed animal too. She looks very excited. Knuffle Bunny. Oh, what a nice title page. Not so long ago, before she could even speak words, Trixie went on an errand with her daddy. Trixie and her daddy went down the block, through the park, past the school, and into the laundromat. Trixie helped her daddy put the laundry into the machine. Oh, do you think that Trixie's having a nice time putting in the laundry? Yeah, me too. She even got to put the money in the machine. Wow. And then they left. But a block or so later, Trixie realized something. What do you think Trixie realized? I think she realized that she left her Knuffle Bunny too. She turned to her daddy and said, "Aggle, flaggle, clabble." "That's right," replied her daddy. "We're going home." "Aggle, flaggle, clabble," Trixie said again. "Plaggle, plaggle, wumpy, flappy, snurp." "Now please don't get fussy," said her daddy. Well, she had no choice. Trixie bawled, "Wah!" She went boneless. She did everything she could to show how unhappy she was. By the time they got home, her daddy was unhappy too. Look at his face. As soon as Trixie's mommy opened the door, she asked, "Where's Knuffle Bunny?" What do you think her daddy realized? That they left Knuffle Bunny! So the whole family ran down the block and ran through the park. They zoomed past the school and into the laundromat. Trixie's daddy looked for Knuffle Bunny and looked and looked and looked and looked. But Knuffle Bunny was nowhere to be found. How do you think that's making Trixie feel right now? Happy or sad? Sad. Look, it looks like she's about to cry. She's getting very upset. Let's see what happens next. So Trixie's daddy decided to look harder until Knuffle Bunny! And those were the first words Trixie ever said. Aww. Do you think Trixie was happy when she got her Knuffle Bunny back? Yes, me too. I think she was so happy to hold it and everything and get the snuggles from her Knuffle Bunny. Alrighty, See you guys next time.